All right. What's your name?
Gisela Chevalier.
And where are you from?
Originally, I'm from Cuba, Havana, Cuba,
And when did you come here?
in 1985.
And why did you come here?
Well, I came here seeking freedom, first of all, seeking to have my own business and leave the capitalism.
Okay.
But above all, I became a citizen in 1990, and from that moment on, and I have become very active with our community. I love this country. I think it's the best country in the world. I have traveled a lot, Europe, Middle East, Asia, Central America, and
Well,
Cuba.
tell people that are 18 years old, 25 years old, why this country is great.
Well, this country is great above all because of the freedoms we enjoy, because of the opportunities we have, because capitalism is the way of life, because you can dream, work, and achieve your dreams, and the sky is really the limit. In any other kind of socialist or communist society, you are just controlled by totalitarian parties and governments that don't let you move and achieve whatever you are capable to achieve.
Well, thank you so much. God bless America, right?
God bless America, indeed.
Amen.